Elon Musk declared in court that he does not desire to lead any firm as its CEO. The 2018 CEO salary package Musk received from Tesla is the subject of a legal battle between Musk and the corporation in Delaware. Musk became the world's richest person thanks to this unrivaled remuneration package. Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we will discuss Tesla's new CEO. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Along with his roles as CEO and techno-king of electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla and CEO and CTO of US defense contractor SpaceX, he just acquired social media giant Twitter and named himself as its CEO. Musk also acknowledged the temporary nature of the arrangement at Twitter. "I expect to reduce my time at Twitter and find somebody else to run Twitter over time," he said. Tesla, the $600 billion electric car manufacturer closely associated with the serial entrepreneur Elon Musk, has chosen a successor. Musk, who has been Tesla's CEO since mid-2008 but has, in his own words, been operating the firm since he invested in it back in 2004, has made a choice this year about who will eventually step into his enormous shoes. James Murdoch, a board director and the son of Australian media mogul Rupert Murdoch, informed the Delaware Court of Chancery that Musk had chosen a name. It still needs to be determined how formalized the decision is and whether the board has given its approval. It is also unknown if they have already expressed their agreement in writing, in principle, or even if they are even aware of it. Furthermore, the plan might be implemented later, and decisions could change. As a result, nothing should be assumed to be finalized based on the available information. The trial of several board members over the company's historically high CEO remuneration package and their desire to convince the judge presiding over the case that Musk's conflicting interests made him a flight risk from Tesla are two factors that contributed to the news's release. They contend that he needed to be compensated with a $56 billion stock option package linked to milestone accomplishments to ensure he stayed appropriately engaged in generating value for their shareholders. Who may be the chosen one? Here are a few contenders who are receiving a lot of support to succeed Musk as CEO of Tesla. Let's talk about Drew Bagley. He truly stands to lose the job. The company's highest senior engineer after Musk is the senior vice president for powertrain and energy engineering. He is driving the switch to a next-generation powertrain for cars that use cutting-edge 4680 battery cells. These are anticipated to include advancements like dry electrodes that can eliminate whole process stages from the manufacturing process. Together, they should cut the cost of each battery per kilowatt-hour in half and support Tesla's continued dominance in the EV market over the next 10 years. Besides Musk, Bagley is the only engineer who regularly updates investors on significant developments during the quarterly earnings calls. He is a logical candidate due to his expertise spanning Tesla's vehicle and energy storage divisions. Let's talk about Omid Afshar. Afshar is a senior director in Musk's office of the Tesla CEO and has been referred to as the entrepreneur's fixer or right-hand man. He is regarded as a master of execution, and most recently he was in charge of building Tesla's enormous new factory in Texas, which will produce the Cybertruck pickup. If Musk were to step down from his day-to-day position in favor of appointing a new board chair to replace Robin Denholm, to continue playing active, if less frequent, role from behind closed doors, he might be a potential answer. If Musk wanted a CEO who would be more of an operational CEO rather than a strategic one, aiming to forge a new course, Afshar would be a capable lieutenant in this constellation. Let's talk about Ashok Elusumi. Tesla's expertise in compelling artificial intelligence is essential to its standing as a tech firm rather than a car manufacturer. Andrej Karpathy used to be in charge of this, but is now AI senior director. Elusumi, who oversees Tesla's most crucial make-or-break technology, full self-driving, took his place. The FSD software is essential for creating a new type of robotic taxi, but it also powers the brains of Tesla's Optimus robot. Given that Musk intends to reinvent Tesla as an AI firm where automobiles are essentially four-wheeled robots alongside bipeds like Optimus, Elusumi or his close colleague Milan Kovac would be a likely option. Recently, Musk entrusted both individuals with assisting him in researching Twitter's technical flaws. Let's talk about Zach Kirkhorn. Since taking over for Deepak Ahuja in March 2019, the finance director has routinely produced significant figures. Even when more affordable, smaller cars like the Model 3 have been introduced, profit margins have risen. The secret is his strict cost management. Because operational expenses are still meager, earnings growth is outpacing the increase in vehicle sales. Although Musk is known to favor engineers over bean counters strongly, he may have decided that a numbers man at the top of the company could free up the brains like Bagley to concentrate on what they do best: develop marketing-leading products. Kirkhorn would be a CEO that the investor community would respect. Let's talk about JB Straubel. Many devoted Tesla supporters would like to see JB, a crucial ally of Musk in the company's early years, come back. After 15 years with the EV pioneer, Straubel, who had been there virtually from the beginning of the company's formation, left in 2019 to head his own business, Redwood Materials, which recycles EV batteries. The two continue to have a cordial friendship based on respect. They recently reconnected at a Financial Times event, where they reminisced about the company's challenging beginning. Therefore, one scenario considered ideal by some investors is if Tesla were to increase its vertical integration by purchasing Straubel's recycling business and developing him to be Musk's successor. Let's talk about Dark Horse. Musk is a mercurial CEO who follows his gut feeling, whether it's creating a divisive model like the Cybertruck that at first turned people off with its alien form, or deciding to omit LiDAR, radar, and even ultrasonic sensors from sophisticated driver assistance systems in favor of only using cameras. He allegedly has thought about external possibilities like Herbert Diess, because he may feel that an outsider would be better equipped to shake things up. The former CEO of the Volkswagen Group is renowned for being a visionary in his own right, and being almost as demanding a boss as Musk. Diess, who developed a friendly rivalry with Musk, is no longer an ideal candidate because of his advanced age, but Musk may look for someone who fits a similar profile. When might this occur? Not for a while, but a board should always have a backup plan in place. This is particularly relevant because Musk is presently focusing elsewhere to run another business, much to the dismay of Tesla's stockholders. Musk, still relatively young at 51 and recently claimed to have lost 30 pounds by fasting, continues to be the company's top shareholder, and his enormous wealth is derived from the value of his stock. That indicates he is motivated to continue having a significant impact now and shortly. That is all for this video. We'll be back soon with another informative video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Until next time.